Chapter 1 Integers Part 4. Today we are going to see multiplication of integers. So multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. In lower class also you might have studied. Okay. For example, you see 3 times you write 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is equal to, simple way we can write 3 into 5. Okay, product 3 into 5 is 15. You add and see 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. Same thing you will get. Okay, same number you have 3 times. The meaning is what? 3 times of 5, that is equal to 15. Okay, same way second one, 7 plus 7 plus 7 equal to 3 into 7 21. Okay, in the integer also, integer number that is minus 5 plus of minus 5 plus of minus 5 equal to how many times? The 3 times, that was 3 into minus 5. 3 into minus 5, you do product means what? Plus into minus, minus. Okay, apply the sign rule. Clear? Sign rule always remember, plus into plus, plus. Read properly, you should not okay, get any confusion. Okay, plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Okay, minus into, okay, minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. Okay, understand? So in the addition of integer, minus 5 minus 10, addition of integer, you see minus 5 minus 10. What is the answer here? 15. Okay, many students will get confused and they will put a minus plus they will write. You should not write like that. In addition is different, multiplication is different. So you have to read properly. Minus into minus plus. Okay, here minus 5 minus 10 is minus 15. Minus 5 minus 10 is minus 15. So that is very important in integer. Sign is okay, very important. Clear? Then next example you see, fourth one, minus 4 plus minus 4 plus minus 4 plus minus 4. How many times there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times of minus 4 is minus 20. Okay, so multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Clear? You remember this sign rule. Okay, then we will see some more problems. So next we will see some problems. You see, find the product of the following. A, 6 into minus 19. First write 6 into minus 19. This is the problem, right? So while doing product, you have to apply the sign rule. Okay, for 6, what is the sign? Plus. For 19, minus. So plus into minus. First to write sign. While doing product of integer, first to write, multiply the sign. Okay, plus into minus. Minus you write. Okay, now you multiply the number. Okay, 19 into 6, 54. 6 means 114. Okay, next also same way you can do. 12 into minus 32. 12 into minus 32. That is equal to plus into minus, minus. Okay, 12 into 32. 12 into 32, how much is? 4, 6, 32, 4, 8, 384. Understand? So first to multiply sign, plus into minus, minus. Then 12 into 32, 384. Third one you see, 7 into minus 22. So same way, plus into minus, minus. Okay, 14, 15. So 154. Then multiply the number. First multiply sign, then multiply the number. Okay. You see next, find minus 31 into minus 100. That is product of negative integers. Product of two negative integers. You see both are negative. So apply sign rule. Minus into minus plus. First to apply minus into minus plus. Okay. So minus 31 into minus 100. How to multiply means, first to multiply the sign, minus into minus plus. Okay, plus that is option. Clear? You can write or may not write, no problem. Clear? Now multiply the numbers. You see 100 easy to multiply. write 31, 20 you add. That's all. Okay. Write 31, 20 you add. And second one, the same way. Minus 25 into minus 25. Minus to minus plus 25 into 25, 625. 625. Okay, you see, very easy. Ending with 5. Two numbers same. Ending with 5 means very easy to multiply. 5 into 5 you write 25. Then add 1 with this 2. 3. 3 into 6, 2. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. Okay. This shortcut method. Okay. First what you have to do? 5 into 5, 25 you write. Then here plus 1 you add. Plus 1 you add. Always plus 1 you add. 3. It will be 3 into 2, 6. See for 35 into 35 you see. Same way. 5 into 5, 25. Add 1, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Correctly will come. Okay. Correctly will come. Like that 95 into 95 also you can multiply. 95 into 95. 5 into 5, 25. How much? 10. Plus 1 add means 10. 10 into 9, 90. Okay, you multiply and correctly it will get. Okay. So product of 3 more integers. Clear? 3 integers or 2 more integers. Okay, how to product it? Here minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 2. Same way how to multiply. First multiply the sign. Minus into minus what? Plus. Okay. Remember. Plus again further. Plus into minus minus. So the whole sign multiply in order correctly. Minus into minus plus. Again plus into minus minus. Okay. 3 times minus multiply means minus. That is the meaning. Okay. 3 times minus multiply means minus. Now number multiply. 3 into 5, 15. 15 into 2, 30. That's all. Okay. Minus 2 into minus 16 into minus 1. That is here also same way. 3 times minus symbol is there. Right. 3 minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus you write. Okay. Now 2 into 16, 32. Into 1 same. That's all. Okay. Now third one. Minus 11 into minus 5 into 0. So in the product, if you have 0 means you don't bother. Clear? You don't need to multiply. 0 there means 0 only. Anything you multiply with 0 means what? 0 only you have to write. Okay. You don't need to see this by numbers and all. Into 0 there means 0 you write. That's all. Clear? This is the technique. So next we will see properties of multiplication of integers. Properties of multiplication of integers. Closure property under multiplication. Already we have seen closure property under addition. Now multiplication. So same way, multiplication of 2 integer is always integer. Okay. Suppose for example minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 is one integer, 2 is another integer. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. 6 minus 6 also an integer. So in general we will write a into b is an integer. For all integers a and b. A and b any integer. Clear? Product is also integer. That only says this general form. Clear? Now we will see some examples. You see. Minus 3 into 2. What you will get? Minus into plus. Minus 3 into 2, 6 is an integer. Clear? That is called closure property. Closure property means multiply any 2 integer. Again you should get same integer. Then only okay. Closure property will be satisfied under multiplication. Okay. Second one you see. Minus 5 into minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5 into 5, 25. Is also integer. 25 is also integer. Therefore, integers are closed under multiplication. Integers are closed under multiplication. Understand? Next we will see commutative property. Next, commutative property. So next property we will see commutativity of multiplication, or you can simply say commutative property under multiplication. Anyway you can say, okay. Here commutativity of multiplication. So in general, for any two integers a and b, such that commutative property means a into b equal to b into a. For addition, how we have written? A plus b equal to b plus a. Same way only for multiplication also. A into b equal to b into a. Okay. For example, you see, you take any two integers. Minus 5 into 4. Right? How much? Minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Right? Then same way, 4 into minus 5. Just interchange. Same we will get, minus 20. So both are integer, minus 20 integer. Therefore, it is satisfied. Therefore, minus 5 into 4 is equal to 4 into minus 5. Therefore, multiplication is always commutative, okay, for integers. Multiplication is commutative for integers. Okay. So next we will see multiplication by 0. So in general, for any integer a you take, a into 0 equal to 0. Or we can write 0 into a also what 0. That's why simply remember that anything into 0 is 0. For example, you see 5 into 0, 0. Okay. Minus 100 into 0, also 0. 0 into minus 500, also 0. So like this, so many examples you can write. 0 into anything, 0. Simply remember. So next we will see multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. What is multiplicative identity means? If you multiply any number with 1, means same number you will get. That is multiplicative identity. Okay, you have studied additive identity. What is additive identity? 0. If you add 0 with any number, you will get always same number. Okay. So when you multiply any number with, here in the product, when you multiply any number with 1 means you are getting same number. You have to get same number. So that what here 1 is acting as identity. What type of identity? Multiplicative identity. For example, you see, so many examples you can write. Right? Minus 5 into 1, what? Minus 5. Right? 1 into minus 100 is minus 100. Same thing you are getting, right? You see, minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Same way. 1 into minus 100 is minus 100. Okay, same thing you are getting. Here minus 5 means minus 5 you are getting. Minus 100 means minus 100. Therefore, 1 is called multiplicative identity. 1 is called multiplicative identity. One is called multiplicative identity. Okay. So next property, associativity for multiplication, or we can say associative property for multiplication. Anyway, you can say. In general, for any three integers a, b, c. So associative property means you need three numbers. Okay, remember. Commutative property means you need two numbers. But associative property means you need three numbers. Clear? So a, b and c. Then you have to write the form. That is associative property means this is the statement. A plus, A into, here multiplication, okay, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So we have to read correctly, clear? A into B into C, B into C you say fast, that means that is in the bracket. Again you no need to tell A into bracket, B into C bracket, no need to tell, okay? That rhythm, you have to catch the rhythm. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, into C separately you tell. Same way, A into separately you tell. Okay, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So B into C means that is in the bracket. A into B means in the bracket. Clear? So that easily you can remember. Okay. Now we will see one example. 8 into minus 1 into 5, right, is equal to 8 into minus 1 into 5. Okay, this one we will verify whether it is satisfying or not. We will see. Okay, first to take left hand side. A into minus 1 into 5, right? Always first you have to what, simplify the bracket 1. Clear? So bracket 1 you have to simplify. That means minus into 5 how much? Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. That is equal to how much? 8 into minus 5 is plus into minus 8 into 5 is 40. Minus 40. Okay. Now we will simplify right hand side also. What is the right hand side? First to write as it is. Whatever may be in the right hand side, write as it is. Now first to bracket 1 you have to simplify. Bracket 1 simplify. 8 into minus 1 is minus 8 into 5. That is also minus 40. Okay. Minus into plus, minus 8 into 5, 40. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore associative is always not satisfied. Clear? For multiplication. Therefore we can say multiplication is associative for integers. Understand? So many examples like this we can verify. Okay. So next property we will see distributive property of multiplication over addition, or we can say distributivity multiplication over addition. Clear? In general, for any integers a, b, c, 3 integers you have to take. Okay, so you can write this form: a into b, okay, a into b, b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. So read okay properly. A into b plus c, a into b plus c means that is in the bracket, okay, is equal to a into b plus a into c. Clear? For examples, minus 5 into minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to minus 5 into minus 3 plus minus 5 into 2. So we have to verify this, right? How to verify? First always take left hand side. Say equal to symbol is center. Equal to symbol center means after equal to symbol that is right hand side, before equal to symbol that is left hand side. Okay, left hand side you take LHS minus 5 into minus 3 plus 2, right? So already I told you first to bracket 1 simplify. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 2 is how much? Minus 3 plus 2. Should not get any confusion. Here plus symbol is there. So minus plus means here you have to subtract 3 minus 2, 1. But put biggest number side, that is minus 1. Now here multiplication, minus into minus plus. So 5 into 1, 5. That is right, left hand side is 5. Same way right hand side you do. Same way right hand side. Right hand side, what is there? That right as it is. Minus 5 into minus 3 plus minus 5 into 2. Correct. Now you see these two multiply first. Here this is one term. This is another term. Here center is plus you have. First you multiply before this plus number. That is minus into minus plus. Okay, 5 into 3, 5 into 3, 15, right? Plus minus 5 into 2. Minus 5 into 2 is how much? Minus into plus minus. Okay, 5 into 2, 10. So always here see, one symbol already written. So next to negative symbol, if you write means you have to put bracket. You should not write continuously two symbols. Clear? Plus you put means again minus number you are writing means put in the bracket. That is very important. Okay. Now one is plus, one is minus means subtract. 15 minus 10 is what? 5. But put the biggest number sign plus, so 5. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Therefore multiplication is always distributive. Clear? For integers. Clear? Multiplication over addition. Clear? Multiplication over addition is always for distributive. Therefore distributivity of multiplication over addition is true. Clear? Therefore distributivity of multiplication over addition is true or is satisfied, you can write it. Okay. See here the meaning is what? Here A is what? A is you have to distribute for the both the term. Clear? A, you take A, you have to distribute for the both the term. That means A multiply with B, A into B. Okay, middle plus symbol is there, plus you write. Then A, you have to distribute C also. That is A into B. Clear? That's why it is called distributivity. Okay, property. Multiplication, here multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. Okay. So next we will see the exercise 1.3 second problem. Verify the following. Okay. First problem is only find the product. Easily you can do. Okay. I will give homework. Now second problem, verify the following. In the subdivision B you see minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Okay. Now you see first to take left hand side. Always take left hand side first. The left hand side what is there? Write as it is first. First step you have to write as it is. Next step you have to what? Simplify the bracket one. That means here what you are getting using minus 4 minus 6. Minus 4 minus 6 means same sign, add means 10. Put the same sign minus 10, right? Next step minus into minus 1 plus 21 into 10 is 210. 21 you write as it is 10. Clear? Next right hand side same thing. You see here first this term you simplify. That means minus into minus plus 21 into 4 84 plus next this term multiply minus into minus plus again. So 21 into 6 12 126. Okay. Now you add and see 0 carry 1 10, 11, okay, then 1 carry 210. Correctly we are getting 210. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified. Okay, hence verify this property. hence verified. Now you tell me what is the name of this property? What is the name of this property? Okay, which form it is? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So what is the name of property? Distributive property. Okay, distributive property. Okay, multiplication over addition. Okay, that's all. I will give some homework problem. You do practice.